this video, we are reviewing the Dream Diary Notebook published by Micromega. You are going to learn how it can help you remember and understand your dreams better. Let's get started.
Introducing Micromega Dream Diary. Track your dreams, unlock your mind, and discover deeper meaning each night. Unlock the hidden world of your dreams. Your dreams are more than random images. They are messages from your subconscious, waiting to be understood. With Micromega Dream Diary, you'll finally have a dedicated space to capture, reflect, and explore them. Turn your dreams into insight and self-discovery. Whether you are curious about dream meanings, exploring lucid dreaming, or simply want to remember your dreams more clearly, this guided journal helps you build a consistent and meaningful nightly practice. Inside this dream journal, you'll find guided sections to record your dreams in detail, space to track emotions, symbols, patterns, prompts to help you reflect and interpret meaning, a simple layout designed for ease of use before or after sleep, a calming structure to build a nightly journaling habit. This journal is perfect for beginners starting their dream journaling journey, anyone interested in lucid dreaming, self-growth and mindfulness enthusiasts, those seeking better sleep awareness and reflection. Why keep a dream journal? Writing down your dreams can improve memory, deepen self-awareness, and help you uncover recurring thoughts, emotions, and patterns in your life. Start your journey inward tonight. Place this journal by your bedside and begin capturing the stories your mind tells while you sleep. Your dreams are speaking. Are you ready to listen?